Thanks for watching the Accounting Guys YouTube channel. My name is Blake, and today we'll be talking about best practices to research transactions and know where things are being posted in Lightspeed. I'll be your trainer today. Hope you enjoy.
Coming right into it, the first thing I wanted to cover is transaction inquiry. So if you come under General Ledger, transaction inquiry, this acts kind of like the Google to your Lightspeed system. So if you're looking for a specific document number, you can come in here and type in your document number, and then it'll pop up with that doc number. So the difference between your document number and your transaction number is your document number is typically your deal number or invoice number. This one is more dealership generated so that your internal tracking system is able to find it, and there can be multiple transactions with the same document number. For example, if you go in and do a sales deal, the document number will cover your rebates, holdbacks, revenue, COGS, all of those entries, so it groups them all together under that one document number for that one deal. Transaction number is a system generated one, and each transaction will have a separate number. So if you're looking for a specific transaction, you can find it by searching this number. So for example, if we come in here, and I'll just pull up a big list so you can see here. So for example, on this deal, you can see that a bunch of these have the same document number of 800,000, and you can see the finalized, unfinalized, deposit, all of those have the same document number, but every single one of them has a separate transaction number. And if you're looking in here, you can see by transaction number if it's higher or lower. If it's higher than the previous, it means it was done more recently. So you can see if something's been backdated or anything along those lines you can get from this system. In here as well, if you click on any transaction, down below it will show you the journal entry. So this will show you what accounts were hit, exactly what's going on in the GL accounts. So for example here, you can see that it hit revenue, COGS, sales tax, cash on hand, and inventory. And then if you click here, you can get the activity document. And we cover more of this in a separate video of how to read this, how to get the mapping and all that, those items. So click on that if you're interested in seeing exactly how to read the management document. And here you can posting register, and here it just gives you a PDF of the journal entry if you want to print it or save it somewhere so you know what's going on with that transaction. Some more places that you can do some transaction inquiry or transaction research is you can research vendor inquiry, where you can look up exactly what happened with a payable. So we'll hop into Ashley Olson here. And if you double click on any of these invoices, it'll pop up and you can see the journal entries or what check it's tied to. Or if you have the check number, you can click the payments, select the check number, and you can see what invoice it went to and what bank it went to. So you can get the invoice number and what bank that check was paid with if you're researching checks. The other part is customer inquiry. In here, you can get a list of all the transactions to each customer. So we'll hop into Can-Am rebates. So in here, you'll see all the transactions that went to that vendor. If you click the doc number, it will pull up miscellaneous receipt details, see exactly what happened here. If it's been applied down below, you'll see what those transactions were applied to and why they're off your list now. That brings us to the end of this video. If you have a specific transaction you'd like help researching, our email is down below in the description. We'd be happy to walk you through our process of how we'd get to that answer. If you have any other video recommendations or you would like to see certain videos in the future, go ahead and leave those suggestions down below in the comments. And if you like this content, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We're always coming out with new trainings. We're trying to give you the most up-to-date material. So go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that. Thanks for watching.